every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today, welcome to my kitchen. This is yet another kitchen of mine. I'm in Lithuania. This is my new flat, my new kitchen, and a new recipe. The first one to be tried in this kitchen. So I'm quite excited, especially because I'm going to try a recipe which, oh my god, it sat in the to try list forever just because I could not find all the ingredients I need for it, and the day has finally come. I gave up on some of them. I'm gonna just use what I could find and let's just go with that because I really want to cross it off my list. It's kind of funny that I'm gonna try it nowadays. Quarantine week 3, baby. And here we are trying fresh seafood recipe. Not exactly fresh for all of them. Some of them will be frozen. But anyways, here I am trying it. So if you're curious to see how it goes, how it looks and tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need around 1 kilo of mussels, cleaned, 450 grams of shrimp, peeled and deveined, 6 scallops, cut in quarters, 400 grams of tomato puree, 3 cups of fish stock, 1 cup of white wine, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 stalk of celery, finely minced, 4 cloves of garlic, sliced, 6 grams of fresh parsley, chopped and divided into 1 and 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of hot pepper flakes, and salt and pepper. Oh boy, I'm so ready to start. So whenever I'm dealing with mussels, I use my largest pot, just because once they open up, they do take up some space and I want to give them that. So to my largest pot, I'm gonna add the extra virgin olive oil and gonna preheat it over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add this little nice array of things. The onions, celery, garlic, half of the parsley. I'm gonna season everything with some salt and pepper and cook for 4 minutes. Now the red pepper flakes for 30 seconds. And the white wine for 1 minute. Okay, so now to this I'm gonna add the tomato puree, which I have here. You don't really see, well, I don't want to spill it. And the fish stock. I'm gonna bring everything to a boil and then cook for 10 minutes. And by the way, as for the fish stock, it's actually my own homemade. It's not by Laura's recipe. If I can find which recipe I use, because it's a great fish stock, I'm gonna leave it in the description box down below. Oh boy, look at this. Oh, am I excited? Okay, so now 10 minutes have passed. I'm gonna season this with some salt and pepper and add all of my seafood. That's the shrimp, the scallops, the mussels over there. Not here because I just don't have enough space. I just wanted to add a little note at this point. The original recipe actually calls for clams as well. That's the secret ingredient I couldn't find forever, or I couldn't find all of these at the same time. So instead of clams, I'm using mussels, the same amount of mussels. And as for the freshness of the seafood, the only fresh thing was the shrimp. And I cleaned it myself as well because that was the only thing that was available to me. And I'm gonna actually make the stock from it, so that will be great. The scallops and the mussels were frozen. Again, I just really wanted to try and finally cross this recipe off my list. So I'm quite sure that my dinner will be super delicious. So hopefully this will serve you as an inspiration that in these hard times when you cannot find things, just, you know, look in the frozen section. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And that will be fine. So I'm gonna add all of my seafood here. I'm gonna cover it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. And that's it. Savor this moment. This recipe seriously was on that list for years. Oh, but no more. Shall we try? Oh, I cannot wait so bad. Does this happen to you when you're like so excited? You don't know what to do with yourself? Oh, it will be so good. But the bread, I need a third arm. I'm gonna boast. You know, the best thing is to just dunk the bread like so, and then it absorbs the sauce. Oh my god, I became good at seasoning things. Okay, occasionally I salted too much, but now it honestly is just perfect. Ooh. If you like seafood, well, this is one of the recipes you should try. Ooh, I will. I'm so excited. Will I be able to? Meh, I cannot take that one. Wait a second. I want to sample a bite with a mussel and with a shrimp and with some sauce. Actually, Cioppino, if I remember correctly, Laura said that it basically means seafood soup. So this is super right. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so pleased. So many good things happened today. Oh my god, you guys, I could just stand here and eat the whole thing because I love seafood. I am so ecstatic about, who was that? It was either Jordan or Vincent who told me that when you use, one of the subscribers, thank you so much, who told me that when you use frozen mussels, you should not fear them being opened. So now look, thanks to you, this happened thanks to you. I'm so happy I learned that I can easily use frozen shellfish, which I swore to myself I wouldn't, because one time I bought and I just threw everything away because, you know, it all was open. And there's this thumb of rule: if your shellfish is open before cooking, you should throw it away. Similarly, if your shellfish is closed after cooking, you should throw it away. So once I threw away the whole pack of frozen mussels. Ooh, this is so good. Okay. I don't think... What's that? Ooh, one sec. That was a timer for something. I love timer. Anyways, what was I saying? I think I was saying that I should just go and eat, you know, not in front of the camera, because it's really, really good. If you like seafood, honestly, mwah. If you want, you could compare and let me know how I did. This is Laura's, this is mine. The color is pretty much the same. I don't have clams, but yet I never did. One time I ordered and I paid, was it 20 euro for half a kilo or was it a kilo? I don't really remember, but it was, oh my god. So I decided that this is good. If you want to try this recipe, you can find the written one in the description box down below. Ooh, if you want to watch Laura make it, you can watch there. The link is there. Is it there though? I need to learn my sides now. So thank you so much for spending some time with me. I really missed doing that. If you want more recipes of seafood, the playlist here. And I think I'll see you very, very soon. Bye!